Natalie Portman is an Israeli-born actress who has appeared in several critically acclaimed movies. She possesses both American and Israeli citizenship and is also a film producer. She made her movie debut in 1994 and has won many awards. Portman has appeared in films like Marř Attaskđ, V for Vendetta, The Other Bolian Girl, Black Swan, No String Attached, Thor the Dark World, and Song to Song. Early life. Natalie Portman was born as a Neta-Leye Nerẓhlag to her parents Shelley and Avner. She was born in Jerusalem on 9 June 1981. She moved to the USA when she was 3 years old. She completed her schooling from Long Island's Syosset High School. She has also studied modern dance and ballet. She later earned a physiology degree from Harvard University. Portman also undertook a graduate course at the Hebrew University of Jerusalem. Personal life. Natalie Portman has been married to Benjamin Millipede since 2012. They married after dating each other for 3 years. The couple is the parents of Aleph and Amelia. She is a vegetarian and supports animal rights. She does not wear leather, fur and feathers. Since childhood, Portman was interested in environmental cases. She supports the Democratic Party and has served as the ambassador of the international charity Free the Children. Age, height and weight. Being born on 9 June 1981, Natalie Portman is 40 years old as of today's date 25th January 2022. Her height is 1.6 meter tall and her weight is 53 kg. Career. Natalie Portman made her film debut in 1994. The following year, she was seen in the short film Developing. She then appeared in the film Hate Beautiful Girls, Star Wars Episode 1 and Anywhere But Her. In 2000, Portman starred in Where the Heart Is. She then reprised her role of the Padme Amidala in the Star Wars Episode 2. In 2006, she was seen as every he mourned in the movie V for Vendetta. She was also seen in Goya's Ghost. Awards and achievements. Natalie Portman is the winner of the 2010 Academy Award for Best Actress. She is the winner of the British Academy Film Award of 2010. She is a two-time winner of the Golden Globe Awards. She has also won the Screen Actor Guild Award, Independent Spirit Award, Teen Choice Awards, Saturn Award and National Board of Review Awards. She has won many other awards. Net worth and salary. As of January 2022, the estimated net worth of Natalie Portman is more than $65 million. The actress has appeared in a number of successful films. She has also appeared in many TV shows like Saturday Night Live, The Simpsons, The Armenian Genocide, Sesame Street, and Angie Tribeca. Natalie Portman has served as the producer or executive producer of several films, including A Tale of Love and Darkness and Jenny Got a Gun. Natalie Portman is one of the most successful actresses in the world. She is a very talented individual who has got many fans around the world. She has been acting for a very long time and her films have grossed millions at the box office.